Hey there, and welcome to my channel. If you're here, it's probably because you're looking for a way to improve your life and change your destiny. Well, today, I've got something that might just help you do that. So, if you're ready to take control of your life and start living the life you've always dreamed of, then be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Let's start. The very carefully drawn conclusion in the latest science of quantum mechanics is as follows. The power of human consciousness is to create everything that actually exists. Human consciousness actually creates everything. Faced with this strange conclusion that has been rigorously validated through dozens or hundreds of scientific experiments, quantum physicists themselves were extremely perplexed. Is this science or religion? What on earth is this? If you were to ask quantum physicists what the fundamental entities that make up the universe are, they would answer something like this. Energy. Energy is the fundamental entity that makes up the universe. In quantum physics, it is said that everything that exists in the universe is literally energy. That's why we humans are also energy itself. Well, the human body is composed of various organs such as the stomach, small intestine, and large intestine, for example. Then, the cells make up those organs. Inside cells, there are molecules, and inside molecules, there are atoms. And if you keep zooming in on those atoms with a microscope, there's nothing there. The inside of an atom is empty. We exist as beings composed of these empty atoms. Although it appears as if we are solid beings that can be touched, in reality, the atoms that make up our bodies are all empty. So what lies beyond those empty atoms? Yes, that's correct. There is energy, and all existing energy exists by vibrating. Even things that appear to be very solid and stationary to the naked eye, when magnified under a microscope, are found to be empty. We can confirm that everything is composed of atoms and exists in a finely vibrating state. Anything that exists by vibrating has its own waveform and frequency. Yes, from the perspective of quantum mechanics, humans are both a wave-like existence and energy itself. That's why humans have their own unique wave and frequency based on the quantum mechanical perspective. This is not philosophy, but physics. It's science. So, how can we change our own state or alter our external circumstances if we want to? You just need to change your own vibrational state. To change a wave-like existence, we can use waves to do so. You don't need to overthink it. All right, now some of you may start to have these kinds of questions. No, excuse me, but how can I change my wave state? How do you change it? You can change your state of vibration by changing your thoughts and feelings. Your thoughts and emotions determine your own frequency and vibration. Thoughts and emotions are energies that exist by vibrating, although they cannot be seen or touched. That's why thoughts and emotions have their own waves and frequencies. There are numerous scientific experiments that prove this fact. Let me introduce one famous experiment among them. The HeartMath Institute, established in 1991, conducted an interesting experiment for 3 years, from 1992 to 1995. Scientists instructed participants to feel positive emotions while keeping their minds calm and relaxed. The participants created positive feelings inside their bodies in a state similar to meditation. During the time when the participants were experiencing such positive emotions, scientists used a special device to chemically and physically analyze the molecular structure of their DNA and even detected very subtle changes that occurred in the participants' DNA molecular structure. The results were very surprising, and it was undeniably accurate. Human emotions have been shown to cause changes in the state of DNA. The emotions of humans have changed the molecular structure of DNA. Wait, so the participants just felt a sense of happiness during the experiment? Just by creating such emotions inside their bodies, the physical existence that makes up the bodies of the participants, their DNA, underwent changes. All right, we learned one principle earlier. Everything that exists is energy vibrating at different frequencies. Then DNA must be the same, right? If we zoom in on DNA under a microscope all the way, we can see that DNA exists as a subtle form of energy. Experiencing emotions caused changes in DNA. Feeling an emotion resulted in a change in the wave state of DNA means that the DNA was affected by the interference of waves coming from the emotion. The conclusion of this experiment is as follows. There are also waves in thoughts and emotions, and those emotional waves have been shown to actually change the physical state of entities, such as DNA. When we change our thoughts and emotions, we also change our own state of vibration. If we change our thoughts and emotions, our own frequency changes. As a result, we attract realities that have the same frequency as our body everyone. This is the scientific principle of attraction. To summarize once again, everything that exists is energy, and that energy is a wave that exists by vibrating. We humans are also vibrational beings, existing as waves of vibration. To change ourselves and our reality, all we need to do is change the vibration of our body. How can we change the vibration of our body? It is by having thoughts and emotions that are different from what we had before. Our thoughts and emotions also have vibrations, and these vibrations can actually cause changes in our physical state of being. When we have different thoughts and emotions, our body's state actually changes. That's how our body attracts external realities that are in the same frequency range as our body. It's inevitable to attract what we vibrate. Now you know that the law of attraction is a science and a physics principle. If you want to succeed, then you need to tune yourself to the same frequency as success and successful people. You just need to have the same thoughts and emotional state as successful people to match their frequency and achieve success. I want to become happy. Then you should have the same thoughts and emotional state as happy people to become happy yourself. Quantum physicists have scientifically proven the amazing fact that all observable phenomena in the physical world are created by human consciousness. But the belief that human mind and consciousness create everything was already existing long before the emergence of quantum mechanics. Various occult beliefs, such as Eastern and Western philosophies, various religious teachings, indigenous beliefs from different countries, and practices such as physiognomy, astrology, and fortune-telling. The belief that consciousness creates everything has existed simultaneously in many parts of the world since ancient times. Spiritual values like this have been dismissed as superstition, nonsense, and delusion by modern science, but recently, they have been proven to be true through quantum mechanics. As ancient wisdom from various cultures and modern science have commonly acknowledged, the only real and true force that creates and transforms everything in the world is human consciousness. The efficient and intelligent utilization of consciousness is the key to harnessing the power of attraction. You can learn scientific principles and tips for manifestation on my channel by subscribing, liking, and turning on notifications. I hope that my videos can be of any help to you in creating the life that you desire. Thank you for watching.